Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super healthy and super easy, millets you can grow at home. Seedling. Millets are ancient grains, they're packed with nutrients, easy to grow, and need very little water. Perfect for balconies, backyards, or even large pots. Let's look at 10 amazing millets you can grow right in your home garden. Leaf fluttering in wind. 1. Finger millet, also known as ragi. Great for calcium and super easy to grow. It loves the sun and can be grown in pots or small garden beds. 2. Foxtail millet. This one grows fast and needs very little water. It's perfect for warm climates and container gardening. 3. Little millet. A small plant that's ideal for tight spaces. It cooks quickly and is gentle on the stomach. 4. Barnyard millet. Grows well in poor soil and is ready to harvest in just 6 to 8 weeks. Plus, it's rich in iron and fiber. 5. Kodo millet. A tough plant that handles dry weather well. It helps with digestion and keeps you full longer. 6. Proso millet, also called china. It's one of the fastest growing millets, perfect for new gardeners. Needs just 60 to 80 days to harvest. 7. Pearl millet, or bajra. A tall plant, but you can grow it in big pots or raised beds. It's high in iron and keeps you energetic. 8. Sorghum, or jowar. This one's a little bigger, but totally worth it. It's gluten-free and great for your heart. 9. Brown top millet. Hardy and low maintenance, it grows well even in dry soil or containers. Helps in detox and digestion. 10. Teff millet. A tiny grain that's big on nutrition. You can even grow it like microgreens for a healthy salad boost. So there you have it, 10 millets you can grow at home with little effort and big health benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening and healthy living tips. Drop a comment and tell us, which millet are you excited to try? Thanks for watching, and happy growing!